there is outcry across the world about the atrocities that have happened in Gaza at the execution of the Israelis using weapons and training that have been provided by the United States. People are calling it hypocrisy, the way that the United States has supported Israel in their attack against Gaza, but defended Ukraine in the attack from Russia. And why are some people getting funds and other people not getting funds? And how are we allowing 2/3 of all the casualties in Gaza have been women and children? How is the United States supporting that when they won't support the protection of and sanctity of life in other places? It's mind-boggling to see how well this situation, this conflict in the Middle East, has played out in the best interests of China, Russia, Iran, and the growing Eastern Bloc. In fact, we recently saw that the BRICS came out and officially took the side of the Palestinians. So now, in the eyes of the developing world, when they look at this conflict, it is absolutely a conflict where the United States supports Israel in their ongoing systematic execution of civilians, and the BRICS countries support Palestine in their endeavors for freedom and equality.
Okay, but
that's a horrible place to be.
But Andrew, I mean, what is Israel supposed to do? I mean, and again, I might argue that Hamas doesn't care about the Palestinian people, and Iran sure doesn't care about the Palestinian people, because both those organizations are willing to sacrifice millions of them just for their quote-unquote cause. And so what is Israel actually supposed to do? If you were on the ground in Israel, if you were in the government of Israel, would you really be doing something different? Could you honestly tell me that you could do something different based on the reaction of what happened on the 7th?
Absolutely.
Really?
Absolutely. So Israel had the opportunity to immediately see what this was for what it was.
So fresh on me. Freedom.